Hello and welcome to this video in series of videos of how you as an advocate or someone in their office can navigate through the platform for the 24/7 on courts. In this particular video, the module of calendar management, scheduling and rescheduling will be covered. This will entail the following task. 1. How you can navigate through your calendar. 2. How within your calendar for a particular slot you can view the scheduled hearings. 3. How you can view the next hearing in a particular case. 4. How you can request to reschedule the hearing in a particular case. And 5. Say your request or that of an opposing party for rescheduling the hearing is accepted by the court. How you can submit your preferences for the rescheduled hearing date. Let us begin with the first task of navigating through the calendar view. We begin at the home screen. Here, on the top left, you will see a panel with your hearing scheduled for the day. Regardless of whether or not you have hearing scheduled on the current day, you will be able to click on the View Hearings button to navigate to your calendar. Click on it and you will see your day's calendar. You will also be able to use the right and the left arrows to navigate to previous or next days to see hearings scheduled on the same. Further, on the right hand side, you will be able to download the cause list and also view cases with pending tasks. You will be able to see a week view of your calendar and also a month view of your calendar. Notice that from any of these views, you can click on a particular slot to view the hearings within that slot. Here, you will be able to see the cases of yours listed in that slot, for example, on 19th of November in the first slot, the stage at which the case is, and the pending tasks in that case. In case you have a lot of cases posted on a particular day, you will be able to choose to sort them in order to view the latest scheduled case on top or the earliest scheduled case on top, and also to filter them by the stage at which the case is and to search for a particular case via its name or ID. With that covered, let us now move on to the third task, which is how would you, within a particular case, view the next hearing and also reschedule it and mark preferences. For this, let us open this particular case of Guru versus Nitish. Click on the case, and in the overview page, you will be able to see the next hearing. For a more detailed view, you can navigate to the hearings page. You will be able to see the next hearing and also all of the hearings that are scheduled or have happened for the case. Notice that in this particular one, you will then, under Actions against a particular hearing that is yet to happen, be able to click on the triple dot icon to reschedule the hearing. Clicking on this and then clicking on Request for Reschedule Hearing will open an application. Here, the application type as application to reschedule request for hearing will be auto-selected, along with which the date of the application is being submitted and the date on which the case is scheduled to be initially heard. You will have to input your reason for rescheduling the hearing. Here I'm selecting illness and the date post which you and your client will be available for the hearing. In this case, that is 5th of December. Add any additional comments to help make your case for rescheduling stronger. Then, when all of the information has been inputted, you can click on Generate Application to proceed. You will be able to see a preview of the application submitted by you. This will be generated in PDF format by the system. You can add your signature to submit this. This can be done in the same way as the options that were there during filing. You can either e-sign with your Aadhaar or you can upload your signature. To upload your signature, you will first have to download the document, print it, sign it, and upload the signed copy of the document. Regardless of the method used to add the signature, once it is added, the screen will update to show signed. Then you can click on the Proceed button to go ahead. You will then have to make the payment for the application. This can either be done offline through the Nyay Mitra or it can be done online by clicking on the Make Payment button, which will redirect to the Treasury portal. The process for the payment will remain again the exact same as discussed in the video for filing. Note that once you have successfully made the payment via the online mode of eTreasury, you will see a success screen. The application will be submitted a CMP number that can be used by you to refer to it. You can also download it and save it to your device or close the same. This rescheduling request will then also be available in the Submissions tab in this particular case, along with its status. Now, coming to the final task in this module, we will see how you as a user can submit your preferences if the judge has accepted the rescheduling request. In this case, in your pending task panel, a pending task will appear. To choose dates for reschedule of hearing, to mark your preferences, click on this pending tasks. You will then be able to see a number of dates within which you will have to mark dates that do not work for you or your client. Select any two dates in this case. The opposing party will also select dates on which they are not available, and based on the common available dates, finally, the judge will issue the order for the next hearing date. You can click on Done to submit your preferences. Please review them carefully. With that, we come to the end of the flow for videos of calendar management, scheduling, and rescheduling of hearings. In this video, we have covered how you can navigate your calendar, view your hearing slotted in a particular slot, view the next hearing in a particular case, put in a rescheduling request, and also submit your preferences once a rescheduling request has been accepted by court. Thank you.